Hello, this is 6502 Nerd, and this is my YouTube channel containing videos mainly about 6502 based computers and nerdy topics about those computers, such as what they were, how to program them, and also some of my nerdy projects. So in the playlist here you'll see some examples of the kind of topics you'll find, including the latest topic, which is Orictober. Now Orictober is a celebration of the Oric computer. I got an Oric back in 1983. It's my first home computer and I still own it to this day in 2021. And in the month of October I'll be making some more videos to reminisce and explain a little bit more about the Oric. Other topics include some videos on the Atari 800 XL that I have. That was actually my second computer. I don't still have it now, but I've got a used one that I acquired from eBay. Then we also have a topic, one video only, and I'll do some more about programming in Windows. Really small programs. This is actually an example of something that I built back in 1996 on Windows 95 in C++ using DirectX, and then ported it and transpiled it in a way to different platforms, and it still works even now on Windows 10, and it's compilable on Windows 10. But now of course it's .NET, C#.NET, and doesn't use DirectX, but another library called SharpDX. So that's that. And then these two topics here, D-flat and the 6502 BBC. Well, D-flat is a custom programming language that I've created for 6502 based computers, and I made a version of it for my Oric computer, Oric 1 and Oric Atmos. Completely replaces the Oric ROM with a basic like language which is faster, more structured, more efficient, with a built-in assembler, and really just a much more powerful language, which I hope that some Oric fans might want to make some use of. But really it's just more of a personal project for me. And then the BBC, well, it looks like a BBC, but it's not. It's breadboard computer is what it stands for. So I built a 6502 based computer from scratch of my own design, and wrote all of the software from the very lowest level routines all the way through to a file system using FAT16 and D-flat, a custom programming language, and put it all inside a BBC case because it was big enough. But these are all videos about that, and I'll be refreshing these videos because they're quite old and quite clunky. Well, more clunky than even these videos that I'm doing more recently. And finally, a playlist of general things that I've been doing with my Oric 1 over the last few months. I started using it more, especially since porting D-flat to it. But this is some various activities I'm doing on my Oric 1. So that's a little explanation about my channel. I do it because I enjoy this kind of thing. I'm not trying to gain thousands of followers and millions of clicks or anything, but I like it, and I found to my delight that around the world there are at least a few people who have the same mindset as me. So if you enjoy these videos and this content, then I'm happy, and that's all I'm really interested in, is that if anybody else likes it, great, but I put it out there just because I like it. So I hope you enjoy, and happy to hear any comments and feedback. Thank you, bye.